Okay, so today we're going to be changing the air filter in a 2000 Ford Focus SE. Very simple to do. Get a flathead screwdriver. Now there should be 4 screws. There's 1. There's 2. There's 3. And the 4th. So we got all 4. You can remove the clip. Okay. Pull it out. So you would get your new one, and you would just place it back down in there like this. And you would just put that back on top and put your 4 screws back in. But one thing I always like to do is clean down inside here, because I mean, nasty debris is already in there. So you can clean that out, and then put your air filter back in. Put your 4 screws back in and your clip, and you're good to go. Since I am parting out this car, I won't be doing those steps. So, hope that video helped you. If it did, leave a thumbs up rating, subscribe to the channel for more content, and I will see you all later.